Hello everybody, this is the Ulanzi 2X teleconverter for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Right now you're just looking at what the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 looks like normally. Let me attach this and show you guys what it does. So as you can see, when I put the 2X teleconverter lens on, it makes a more tighter field of view, like a normal focal length. Now this is important because a lot of people who use the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, they are limited by having a very wide focal length, right? Like this. However, when you use this, it gives you a tighter shot, like I think it's around 40 millimeters. So I'm gonna share with you guys some video clips that I've taken at night so you guys can see how this performs in low light and what that video footage looks like. So you can judge for yourself if you guys like the type of footage and the image quality that comes out of this, but I personally think that it's acceptable quality, but there are some problems that I'll talk about later in the video. But anyways, here are the videos, so enjoy. So there you have it. What did you guys think about the quality of the video clips you just saw? Do you guys think that the video quality with this teleconverter lens on looks okay? Me personally, I do think that in the middle, it looks better than on the sides and the corners. If you go back and watch the clips, you can see that there's some sort of vignetting going on. I think it's like some sort of fog or haze on the sides. And in some parts, you can see that there's like lens flare or something. It doesn't do so well when you point it like directly into a light source. I believe that when you're pointing it away from a light source, it looks okay. But like when you're pointing it like at the lights, you can see like maybe some lens flares and you can see some like fogginess going on. if you guys will go back and watch some clips, you guys can see what I'm talking about, but watch the sides. The middle is okay, but it's the sides that is really the issue. But other than that, I think this lens is fine for what it does. Honestly, how many other tele lens for the DJI Pocket 3 are there on the market? Not much. And out of the ones that I've seen, this one, while it's not perfect, it's the best. I think so. It's better than the other ones I've seen, which have problems with weak magnets and things like that. This one, at least it functions well. The image quality is a different issue, but at least it functions well, as in the magnets are strong enough to stay on the DJI Pocket 3, and the gimbal can handle it just fine. It still is able to track me with the teleconverter lens on, right? So the gimbal's able to handle the size and weight of this teleconverter lens. And like I said, the magnets are strong enough for it to stay on. That's something a lot of people were concerned about too, is that if you attach a tele lens to a DJI Pocket 3, will it really stay on? But this one does. So at least it functions well. It's just a matter of, are you okay with the image quality that comes out of this teleconverter lens? Like I said, I think the middle is fine. It's really the sides that are the issue. But honestly, for what it does, I'm willing to overlook the flaws, and I think it's okay for what it does. Anyways, a lot of people have been asking me to link to this lens, but unfortunately, it's out of stock right now. I bought it on the Ulanzi website on Black Friday for around $30, 30 US dollars. However, you can't even go to the site anymore because I guess they took it off the website because it's out of stock. I know some other websites do this, like Disney and Loungefly. Whenever they run out of something, they just take it off the listing. So the listing isn't even there right now as I'm making this video. However, if I do see that it's back in stock later, I'll make sure to include the link to this lens later. But for now, this is pretty much it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. If you guys like this type of content, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll be making more of these videos in the future. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.